everyone, today I'm not cooking, but I'm using anti-inflammatory ingredients to make a homemade face mask. This mask brightens the skin, it controls acne, it's so cooling, it reduces dark spots, it's very soothing and exfoliating. It is a muscle relaxant, relieves tension, and made with simple ingredients. You're definitely gonna love this. Let me show you how I make this. I bought a bunch of mint from the grocery store and I'm just going to remove the leaves from the stem. Next, I will soak the mint because I want to remove any dirt that's on the leaves. I then use a napkin to wipe the leaves. In a blender, I put the mint leaves in. Next, I put a quarter cup of yogurt. I do have a recipe for a dairy-free yogurt on my page and I will put the link below at the end of the video. Next, I will put 2 or 3 spoons of manuka honey. Any honey will do. I will add a quarter cup of water to this. Then I will blend this all together. After pouring this in the bowl, I'm going to put a quarter teaspoon of turmeric in it. Then I will close the lid and refrigerate this for 2 to 3 hours. I am putting a headband on so applying the mask will be easier. I am using the back of the spoon to put the mask on. You will notice instantly how cool your face feels as the stress, tension, and muscles just relax. Leave this on your face for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. Thank you for watching this, guys. I hope this helps you like it does for me. Please give this a like and subscribe for more gluten-free, dairy-free, and tomato-free recipes and ideas. Have a great day.